What's up guys, Mike here from GamingGuap.com coming at you guys with a video today that's going to teach you how to stream on Twitch.tv on a budget. Now, let's talk about Twitch. Most games require really expensive gaming computers with fast processors, lots of RAM, super expensive graphics cards, cool gaming keyboards and gaming mice or mouses and just all kinds of equipment. And all this stuff, you could spend $2,000–$3,000 on a really cool gaming setup that's going to be capable of streaming, and you need super fast internet to be decent and competitive and to be able to stream and it look good quality on your stream. But what if there was a game out there that didn't require all that stuff and that was actually popular on Twitch and that you could get a lot of viewers, get a lot of people watching your stream, interacting with you, even though you just had a basic setup? Well, guess what? There is. It's called Hearthstone. It's a card game. Most of you are probably familiar with it. If you're not, I'm sure you've heard of Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! Hearthstone is basically the World of Warcraft card game. It's basically the World of Warcraft version, the card game version of World of Warcraft. It's very similar to the Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! And all that. The difference is it's 100% free to play. Okay? Now, you can buy stuff in the game if you want to, but there's like literally almost nothing that you can't get just by playing the game and unlocking it, but you do have the option to buy stuff if you want to. However, if you ask me, that just kind of takes the fun out of playing the game. But back to what we were saying, this game's free to play. You can pretty much run it on any basic computer. I have a nephew who I just set up a live stream on. He's got a 4 gigs of RAM, an i5 processor, basic graphics card, just an onboard graphics card that came with the computer he got at Walmart. His internet is god awful. It runs like 2 meg download speed and less than half of that for upload speed. We had to nerf his stream down a little bit, but the quality is still pretty decent, and like it's not choppy at all. It's completely smooth because you don't need the quality of the stream to be incredible for Hearthstone. It's a card game. There's just cards being played. There's not a ton of crazy graphics going all over the place. It's not intense on your computer, and it's just, and not only that, it's a super, extremely awesome, extremely addictive, extremely fun game to play. It's really fun for your viewers to interact with you because they can kind of interact with you on like, hey, you should play this, or you should have done this instead, or this is what you should do next time, or whatever. They can interact with you while you're playing. Call of Duty, what are they going to say? Hey, somebody's behind you. Well, there's like a 5-second stream delay, so it's already too late. Like Call of Duty, first-person shooters, World of Warcraft, nothing against those games. They're all great games, but you have to have pretty good equipment to stream any of those games and lots of stuff. Hearthstone, anybody can stream it for free. All you need really is a webcam and a microphone, which you can pick up pretty cheap. If you go to GamingGuap.com, I just wrote an article on this, and you can click on streaming on a budget. It's going to be one of the pages up top. You'll see it there, and I even recommend which microphone and which webcam you should get. So, you know, all you need is everything I just mentioned: basic computer, basic internet. You're going to need to get like OBS or XSplit, which I'm sure you can find videos on YouTube about this, and I'm actually going to be coming out with a video on how to set up your Twitch live stream in OBS very soon. I don't have it out yet. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to put this video out, let you know that if you want to be a live streamer on Twitch, you don't necessarily have to spend thousands of dollars on gaming equipment. You don't necessarily have to stream super high, intense games. You can play Hearthstone. Very basic, very simple, and honestly, it's the funnest game out in my opinion. Like, it's, oh my god, it's so fun. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to check out my site, GamingGuap.com, so you can check out that article. And hey, see you guys.